Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Online students, please respond in the chat. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Yes. Yeah. Very, very good morning, guys. Very, very good morning. So you can hear me and you can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. Just a sec. Right. Okay. So guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our yesterday's class. So guys, yesterday we have started discussing about enum. We have seen how to use enum, where generally we'll be using enum, how to retrieve the data from enum. And yesterday we started discussing about inner classes, right? Yes. So I said there are generally 4 types of inner classes are there, like nested inner class, static inner class, method local inner class, and anonymous inner class. So yesterday we have discussed about nested inner class. So today let us just try to have an idea about static inner class. So guys, very, very simple concept. So yesterday only I said, whenever you are trying to discuss about inner class, please try to think that inner class as a method, both, which will be having the properties of a method and a class. For example, okay, right now, let us just try to have an idea about static inner class, right? So just let me try to have a variable int something a equal to 10 like this. And after that, static int b equal to 20. Now, guys, my question is, if I want to access, what is this variable? This is a instance variable, instance variable, and this is a static variable. So now my question is, can I access instance variable inside a static method? Yes or no? How? With the help of class object. Am I right or wrong? Can I access a static variable inside a static method? Yes. Directly with the help of identifier name, we can do that. So I already said this, like whenever we discussed about static concept only, I said, guys, most of the time people will be thinking that we cannot access a non-static variable inside a static method, but we can access that. We can access that. How we need to access? With the help of a class object, I said, right? Now, let me just try to have an idea about static inner class. Okay. So just let me try to have class inner class A like this, inner class A. Now inside this inner class, okay, just let me just try to have a normal method, void method 1 and system.out.println. Here simply I'm trying to write I'm from OUTR outer class, and inside the inner class I'm trying to write one more method, void, just let me try to go with like method 2, and here system.out.println. Here I'm just trying to write I'm from inner class like this. Now system.out.println a and system.out.println b. So this is a instance variable of outer class just plus a, and here simply I'm trying to write static variable of OUTR outer class like this, static variable of outer class. And here just let me just try to have plus b. Okay, just plus b like this. Okay, plus B like this. Now, what I want to do, this is actually nested inner class. Now, I want to make this nested inner class as a static. Just simply, I'm trying to make this as static like that. Now, guys, if you observe, whenever I made this inner class as static, immediately I'm getting an error at instance variable. Did you see that? Previously, I did not have any error there. But when I'm trying to make this as static, immediately I am getting an error. And you already know the reason, like how we need to access once again, I'm asking you, how we need to access an instance variable inside a static area with the help of class object. So please observe here, plus, come on, new class A dot A. As simple as this. As simple as this. Is it clear, guys? Now, guys, yesterday only I said we can write main method also inside a inner class. But if you want to write main method also inside a inner class, we need to make that inner class as a static. So, as this is a static inner class, for example, can I write main method? Can I write main method? Yes. Am I getting any error? No, I'm not getting any error. For example, new class, okay, new inner class A dot method 2 inside the main method. Guys, this main method belongs to inner class A. I hope you're understanding me. So inner class A, I have created an object for the inner class and I'm trying to call my method 2. As simple as this. Yesterday, it is not possible. Why it is not possible yesterday? Why? Because that is nested inner class. The inner class is not static. So, for example, just let me try to write a constructor also. Constructor, INNER, inner class A constructor. Now here just system.out.println. I'm just trying to write inner class constructor. Inner class, okay. Constructor. Can I write a static block also? STATIC, static block, system.out.println, system.out.println, and here simply I'm trying to write inner class static block, inner class static block, like that. Now, guys, inside a static inner class, I have created a method. Inside that method, I'm able to access outer class instance variables, outer class static variables also. After that, inside this static inner class, I have written a constructor, I have written a static block, and I had written a main method also. For example, let me just try to have constructor, outer class constructor here. Outer class constructor. Now here, just let me try to write system.out.println. Here, OUTR, outer class constructor. Outer class constructor, like this. And let me try to write a static block also. STATIC, static block. Let me just try to write system.out.println. System.out.println, outer OUTR, outer class static block. And finally, I want to write main method also. Okay, now here inside this new class A dot method 1. Guys, this is method 1 present in outer class. I hope you're understanding me. Sir, can I call this method 1 from this method 2? Let me check. System.out.println, just a small line. Okay. Now here, meth1, method 1, like this. Why we are getting an error? In static, can we use this keyword inside a static area, guys? No, that is the only reason you are getting an error. Okay, can I go like this? New class A dot method one. Yes, of course I can go like this. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Online students, are you following me? Guys, are you following? You already know these concepts. You already know these concepts. Just inner class concept is new. Inside that class, whatever the data which you are writing, you already know that. You already know that. Okay. Right now, biggest question is right now. Just let me try to save it. Okay. Guys, in class A, how many main methods are there? Come on. One main method belongs to class A and another main method belongs to inner class. Now, if I execute this program, which main method will be getting executed? Class A? Class A main method will be getting executed, or inner class A main method will be getting executed? How? Why you are saying class A? Let me execute. Let me execute. Right click, run as. Okay, let me check my online students. Okay, outer. Everyone is saying that outer class, static, inner class, Pranay. Okay, let me check. Right click, run as Java application. Any main method got executed? No. Compiler is not going to take a choice. It will ask us. Compiler will be asking us to select which main method you want to get executed. Main method present in outer class or main method present in inner class. Which one? Did you understand, guys? For example, if I selected outer class, see, okay, just let me try to magnify here, and can you see this? This is outer class main method. This is inner class main method. So which one we are supposed to choose? You can choose anyone. You can choose anything. For example, let me try to choose outer class main method. Guys, if I execute outer class main method, please check this. This is my output. First, what got executed? Outer class static block. After that, outer class constructor. After that, I am from outer class, like method. Which one? Method one. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Right. Now, if I execute main method which is present in inner class, now you will be having something different output. Why we got these many outputs? Point number one. First, whenever we are executing inner class main method, first inner class static block will be getting executed. Guys, you already know that static block and main method, who will be having more priority? Static block. Exactly. First, static block got executed. After that, you are creating an object for the inner class. So obviously, inner class constructor got executed. Inner class constructor. Are you following me? Yes. Now, after that, I am from inner class. This is the method which is present in inner class. Why? Because I'm trying to call that method too. So I am from inner class instance. Okay, guys, after that, after printing I am from inner class, why outer class static block got executed? Why outer class static block got executed? Can you please tell me, anyone? Why? Right. Let me, guys, please observe line number 17. Please observe line number 17 correctly. In line number 17, In order to access the instance variable, what we are doing here, we are creating an object for the outer class. Whenever you are creating an object for the outer class, as there is a static block, first what will be getting executed? Static block. So first outer class static block got executed. After that, outer class constructor got executed. Guys, I hope you're understanding me, right? Now, after that, instance variable value of outer class 10, and after that, static variable value 20 got printed here. Are you following me, guys? Static variable 20 got printed, and after that system.out.println small line, and actually you are trying to call method 1 with the help of an object. So again, outer class constructor will be getting executed. Where is this outer class constructor will be getting executed, and then I am from outer class will be printed. Is it clear, guys? Online students, kindly please respond. Guys, you already know this. You already know this concept. Only thing is you are trying to, guys, that is what I'm trying to say. Please think this inner class as a method and a class, both method and a class. Then you will be getting more little bit clear idea about this static inner class. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay, so for example, I don't want to write this main method. Okay, I don't want to write main method in my inner class. I want to call this method 2 from my outer class. Are you understanding me? Guys, actually method 2 I have called directly from my inner class only with the help of main method. No sir, I don't want to write 2 main methods. I will write only one main method. From that main method that is in outer class, I want to call my inner class method 2. How to do that? How to do that? Can you please help me out here? Yesterday, open the yesterday's program. Open the yesterday's program. In yesterday, we have created an object for outer class, again object for inner class, and with the help of that reference, we are trying to call the inner class method. Now, what I need to do? Can you please check? First, what I need to write? I'm sorry, new class A. I need to give parenthesis. I sure. Remember, yesterday that is nested inner class, not static inner class. Okay, just let me. After that, tell me. Dot. New. Inner class A like this. But I'm getting an error. I'm getting an error. Tell me what I need to do. Think. First, think. Please think once. First, think. You know how to call static methods. I'm sorry? Directly with the help of? Okay. So, can I write like this? I'm getting an error. Online students, please tell me what I need to do. Okay, guys, Raghuvaran is giving me this statement. Raghuvaran, can you please check this? You are getting an error. So tell me. You tell me. Just think. Yesterday what we did? New class A dot new inner class A like this, and after that what we did, equal to inner, okay, inner class A, just obj belong, okay, dot class A, like this we have written yesterday. But right now, if you are trying to write like this today, we are getting an error. Please help me. I will not say. You need to help me out. You need to help me out. Please, guys, help me out. I want to call obj dot method 2 like this. I mean, I want to call my inner class method, but here I'm getting an error. Tell me what I need to do. Inner class A dot method 2. No. Any other? Any other? For example, can I remove this? Okay, just let me try to remove this new keyword. Am I getting any error here? Let me save it. Guys, come on here. What I did here, I had used new keyword, and did I created any object here? No. Why? Because directly with the help of class name, you can access static data member. Come on, guys. Yes or no? Exactly the same concept I'm trying to do here also. Now, let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. Now, first, outer class static block got executed. Outer class static block got executed. After that, outer class constructor. Where is this outer class constructor? Yes, here, outer class constructor. And after that, I am from outer class. Where is this method? I am from outer class. Then inner class static block. After that, inner class, where is this? Inner class constructor. And basing upon the data which you have created here, it will be getting executed. Guys, simple here, very, very simple. Let me do one thing. For example, let me keep this in comment. I'm trying to keep this in, okay, sorry. Just let me try to keep this in comment. Okay, this is, it is the way to call the methods which are present in static inner class. But whenever you are trying to make your inner class as static, generally we will be trying to write the main method inside the inner class only. That is the only reason we are making that class as static. Is it clear, guys? Please tell me yes or no. Guys, simple here. Just let me just try to execute this. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, I'm just trying to select inner class A. Now this is our output. Now the difference between nested inner class and static inner class. Nested inner class. Can you write main method inside a nested inner class? No, you cannot. If you want to call the methods which are present in the nested inner class, we need to call those methods from the outside. Inside a nested inner class, can you write a static block? Answer: no. Why we cannot write? Why? Because the class is not static. So if you are trying to take a class as, that is inner class as a static inner class, inside that you can write static block, You can write main method. Directly you can call the methods which were present inside the inner class from the main method which is present inside the static inner class. As simple as this. But if you want to call the methods, which are present in the static inner class from outer class, once again, if you want to call the methods which are present in the static inner class from outer class, we need to use directly class name, not object. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Please have this program for me. Please have this. And guys, remember, if you are trying to take your your inner class as a static inner class, it is always advisable to write the main method inside that inner class only. In order to take the main method only, we will be making our class as static. Please, online students, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Raghuvaran, Shravanti, Pratiksha, Uday, clear? That is great. Please. Pranay, in line number 20, as we are using inner classes concept, here, compiler will be considering only one time execution of that static block. It will not be it will not be thinking that you are calling again and again. We are present in the same class A, right, Pranay? We are present in the same class A. Yes. If you are trying to call from outer, like not exact like outer class, from class B, then that will be happening. Remember, static block will be getting executed for the first time, right? It's not basing on how many times you are creating an object. It's more like for the first time it will be getting executed even before main method, right, Pranay? I hope you remember that. Is it clear, buddy? Yes, very good, very good. Up to line number 20 complete for everyone. Line number 20. Right. And remember, it is highly recommended if you are trying to take your inner class as static. It is highly recommended to call the methods directly from your inner class by writing the main method. In order to write the main method only, we will be trying to take that class as static. Or else you can directly take nested inner class, normal inner class. Whose phone is that? Whose phone is that? Tell me, yaar, whose mobile is that? Nice ringtone. Nice. Please write these comments also. Yeah, Muzaffir. Yes. Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention. Yeah, I got your review, Muzaffir. That is great. I got your review, Muzaffir. Thank you for that. Completed writing the program? Okay. Console not completed. Please write, please write, please write. Right. This is the console. Yeah, Raghuvaran, we can think like that. Yes. The methods which are present inside the static, like static inner class, are implicitly static methods for outer class. For outer class. I hope you're understanding me, Raghuvaran. Yes. For inner class, that would be different, right? Right. Okay. All right, guys. I hope it's completed for everyone. Is it done? Anyone writing? Please raise. Anyone writing? Oh, yeah, please write. Please write. Please write. Please write. From where we are creating, Raghuvaran? From where? Can you please tell me? No. Inside inner class main method, inside inner, see, Raghuvaran, that's what I'm trying to say. If you are present inside the inner class, then that is a normal method, not a static method. Okay. If you see those methods from outer class, then you need to think that as a static. You can think like that. There are two views here. Seeing the methods from the inner class, seeing the methods from outer class. Right, buddy? Right. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. Let me just try to remove this. Okay. Now, right. As I said, guys, there are 4 types of inner classes are there. First one is nested inner class. Second one is static inner class. And third one is method local inner class. Now, just let me try to take a method void method 1, normal method. I'm trying to take a string s equal to Java like this, and inside this method class inner class like this. Inside a method, method starts from here, ends with here. Inside a method, I am trying to take one more class. Now, this is known as method local inner class. So, for example, inside this inner class, can I take one more method? Yes, you can take, no problem. You can take. Now, I want to access the local variables which are present in method 1. Guys, this is a local variable, right? You already know that. I want to access this local variable which is present in method 1 in method 2. Yeah, just let me do one thing. String yes. Okay, S, let me go with S2. Let me make this as S1. Okay, S2 equal to S1 plus is AWSOM. Awesome, like that. And just system.out.println S2, like that. Now, if I want to call this method, please come out from this inner class. Please come out from this inner class, but stay inside the method 1 only. Guys, remember, right now we are dealing with method local inner class. So you should not be coming out from the method. Please come out from the class, inner class, create an object INNER, inner class like this. dot. Let me try to directly call method 2 like this. That's it. As simple as this. Now, for example, guys, let me go to my main method. Let me go to my main method. Now answer my question. Answer my question. How this inner class will be getting executed? When that inner class will be getting executed? Whenever we are calling method 1. How to call that method 1? Come on, you already know that. New class A dot method 1. That's it. Right click, run as Java application. As simple as this. Am I clear with this, guys? Please keep your side heading as method local inner class. Side heading as method local inner class. If possible, try to write it by your own. If possible, this program, try to write by your own if possible. Please. Please. Rakesh, I had seen your message. I'll try to discuss that by the end of the session. Why? Because not related to the topic, right? Come on, Rakesh, you already know I will not ignore a message, right? Keep your side heading as method local inner class. Guys, I'm having a small doubt. For example, can I make this inner class as static? Think and answer. Why? Method should be static. We cannot. Guys, can we declare a variable as static variable inside a method? No. Can you use, or else can you try to declare any data member as a static inside a method? No, you cannot. If you are trying to declare this as static also, same concept. We have covered this concept in static variables, guys. I said a static variable can never be local variable. I hope it's clear. So no, we cannot. Online students, is it clear? Yes, that is great. That is great. We already know all these concepts, guys. Just we are trying to implement them inside a inner class. Completed? Done? Please write. Please write. Please write. Where? Okay. You want to make this as method 1 like this. Do you have any problem here? Can you write same method names in 2 different classes? Yes or no? That's what I'm trying to say. Think inner classes as a class along with a method. No problem. You can write. You'll not be having any trouble. Okay. Right. All right. Okay. So I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it done? Respond. Okay. 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 Now let me remove this. Okay. Let me keep it like that. Please keep your next heading as anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class. For anonymous inner class, I guess I'm having a small program for this. Yeah. Anonymous inner class. Right. Guys, please observe here. Just observe the code. Observe the code. This is just a normal class. Class A, class B, class D, like that. This is just a normal class. Inside this normal class, I have written a print method. Void print. That's it. Okay. It is going to execute. I am in the print method of outer class. It is going to print like that. Okay. Now I am having one more class. This is class name. Just a class name. Just a class name. Are you understanding me, guys? Okay. Now what I am doing here, please observe. I am trying to create an object. I am trying to create an object for my outer class. I'm trying to create an object for my outer class, and I did not. Okay, just let me remove this. If I remove this, if I'm trying to keep like this, then fine, right? Answer. What I'm doing here, I'm creating an object for my outer class and I'm making that object as static. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Why I had make this as static? Why? Because directly with the help of name, I'm trying to access the print method. If I'm not making this as static, I'll be getting an error here. If I want to avoid this error, what I need to do? Create an object for outer class. Copy. Create an object for outer class, and from that, okay, yes, I need to import also. From that outer class object, I need to access this reference. So a lot of hectic situation is there. Okay, I'll do one thing. Just let me try to create an object like this. Confused? Confused? Okay. Guys, let me ask you one thing. For example, I'll do one thing. Int A equal to 10, right? I want to print A. Can I do like this? I'm getting an error, right? Why I'm getting an error? Come on, why? It is an instance variable. You cannot access instance variable directly inside a static method. Okay, how to access that instance variable? New class A dot A. Am I right or wrong? Instead of this object, for example, if I make this as static, now can I directly write A like this? Yes or no? Now come to this class. This is instance variable. Guys, for A, 10 is a value. Here for out, this object is a value. That's it. As simple as it is. Now, if I want to access this variable inside a main method, if I want to access this variable inside a main method, how I need to access? With the help of its respective class object. Is it clear, guys? I'm trying to access this variable with the help of that class object, and I'm trying to call this method. Method which is present in my outer class. Is it clear? Online students, kindly please respond. Guys, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear? No, no, please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Online students, respond, guys. In outer class, you are having this print method. We are like, if we want to access this print method, how we need to access that print method? With the help of this object reference, but it is a instance reference. So how to access a instance data? We need to access this instance data with the help of a class object. So in order to avoid this complexity, simply I'm making this as a static. If I make this as static, no need of creating that object. Directly with the help of identifier name, I can access my method. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear, guys? Online students, please respond in the chat, guys. Please respond in the chat. Okay, now what I'll be trying to do here, just let me try to get it back. Okay, right. Now this is a object. I did not close my object immediately. What I'm doing, I had opened a anonymous inner class. What is a anonymous inner class? Anonymous inner class means it will not be having any name like class name. It will not be having any name. When this anonymous inner class will be getting executed, whenever you are creating an object for this class, at that particular time, this anonymous inner class will be getting executed. Now, inside this anonymous inner class, I had written a print method, normal print method, and with the help of super keyword, I am trying to call the parent class print method. Now, whenever I am trying to call this print method, guys, please listen. This is important. This is important. In main method, whenever I'm trying to call this print method, the print method which is present in the anonymous inner class will be getting executed. Now, inside this print method, what we are doing, we are trying to call print method which is present in outer class, exactly, parent class. So first our output should be, I am in the print method of outer class. After that, system.out.println, I am in anonymous class. Let me just try to execute. As simple as this. See, like this. Actually, this kind of anonymous inner class, we have already did a program in multi-threading. In multi-threading, did you remember inter-thread communications? Inter-thread communications or deadlock scenario? Deadlock. At that time, I have used this anonymous inner class. As simple as this, right? Please have this program for me. Please. Citing as anonymous inner class, and please. Yeah, that is good, Adarsh. That is good. That is good. That is good. First, write anonymous class, Pranay. After that, I'll be going with open class. I mean, outer class. Okay, please. Completed? Done? Right. Online students, is it completed, guys, for everyone? Kindly please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Right, right. I hope it's done. All right. Outer class, please. Outer class. Done? Done? Okay. So, guys, regarding this inner classes notes like introduction, nested inner class, static inner class, method local inner class, anonymous inner class. All these notes I'll be trying to upload in our Google Classroom right now only. Like within 15 to 20 minutes, you'll be getting the data uploaded in our Google Classroom, right? And next topic. That's it. So, guys, it is actually nearly almost 60 days, I guess, 60 working days. I promised you 50 to 55 days to complete core Java, but I took a little bit more, 1 week or 10 days more. Kindly please don't mind, like I don't want to skip a topic. So that is the reason I have taken a little bit more time to complete. I hope it's okay for everyone. Is it okay? And the data which is present in our Google Classroom will be available up to 1 year. It will be available up to 1 year. It will be there. No problem. And guys, please just let me try to. I'm asking you only one thing, guys. One thing. That is, this is my email ID, my personal email ID. Okay. This is my personal email ID. And once you got placed, please send me your success story along with your interview questions also. Trust me when I say this, your success story will be inspired to others also. And along with your parents, even I am also waiting to hear the good news from you. Hopefully, I'll be listening to that very soon. Yes? Yes or no? Very, very soon. Please keep a target. Please keep a target like within 2 to 3 months, like that. Please keep a target. And guys, trust me, if you are a fresher after completing core Java along with advanced. Like if you are trying to learn advanced, no problem, you can attend to the interview. You can attend to interviews. In their resume, clearly mention that. Yesterday someone showed me an image who that is very good, very good. Clearly mention that which concepts you are good. You are good in which concepts, like that. Okay, so don't try to mention complete core Java or else Java. If you are keeping complete Java, then it will be a trouble for us. Like we can ask any question. If you are giving us some important topics, good in OOPS, and don't even say OOPS, good in abstraction, good in multi-threading, good in arrays, good in string, like that, then we will be trying to ask questions on your resumes. Once again, I'm saying you guys, resume is a question paper which is prepared by you and given to us. So prepare it nicely. Please prepare it nicely. And some people are asking me about fake experience. Right. Guys, point number one. You can keep fake experience. I'm not saying no for that. Okay. You want me to on the video? Just a second. Let me try to on my video here. Okay. Yes. This is your trainer. This is the first time you are interacting. I mean, my online students are first time seeing me. Right, right. You are seeing me directly. Why you want online videos there? Right. Okay. Right. So regarding fake experience, guys, you can keep fake experience. I'm not saying no for that. But my strong advice for you is before keeping fake experience, if possible, try to join in a small startup company. Work for 6 months or 1 year. Startup, small startup. Try to get the experience from that company there. Like 3 years or 4 years, the company will be giving you. Startup companies, they will be giving you. No problem. So that it will be like a genuine experience for you. If you are keeping fake experience also, you can do that. I'm not saying no for that. But it is always risky part. Guys, fake experience, getting a job is very easy. Trust me when I say that. Surviving in the job is very hard. Surviving in the job is very, very hard. For example, yesterday I got a mail from one of my student. He kept fake experience. I'm unable to show that mail. Why? Because you know the obvious reasons. He got a job in government sector, and the mail which he kept is, sir, I got a job in government sector, but I'm unable to do the tasks. Will you help me? Or else if anyone is there, like for job support, I can pay anything. I'm ready to pay anything. Why? Did you understand what I'm saying? Guys, if you kept fake experience, immediately you will be getting the job. That is for sure. Why I'm saying that? Because whatever the concepts which we have discussed in our classroom, those concepts are enough for 3 years to 4 years also. For example, here, just simple example. Let me just try to show you one of my emails. Just a second. Now, right. This is a mail, okay, which I got. Please check this mail. Like this. Some so-and-so company. And what is the package? I mean, yeah. What is the package they're offering? What is the package they're offering? 32 lakhs, right? I mean, I got this mail for some of my, from other client. I don't even applied also. Now, what is the experience? 5 to 12 years of experience. Are you understanding me? I got this mail like for a job opportunity. As I'm having 10 plus years of experience, I got this mail. And for 5 to 12 years of experience, how much package they're offering? 32 lakhs. Now, observe the topics which they have given. Very good core Java concepts. And what are the concepts? good in oops, data structures, collections, algorithms. Algorithm means the algorithms which we will be using in our projects. Multi-threading, collections concept. Did you see this? And next one, Java 8 features. For 10 plus experienced people also, they are asking the same questions. For freshers also, they will be asking the same questions. The difference is, for freshers, they will ask you, what is an encapsulation? What is an array list? Say some features about array list. For experience, how they will ask, where you have used encapsulation in your project, where you have implemented array list in your project, how did you use the stream API in your projects, like that. Are you understanding me? Same questions, implementation manner, they're gonna ask for experienced people. For freshers, they're gonna ask you just basic fundamentals. That's it, not more than that. So my advice is fake experience, okay, you can go, not at all a trouble. If possible, try to join in a startup and you can work on that. Okay, online students, I hope it's clear. Like some people asking me about fake experience there, right, buddy? Right? Yes, let me try to off the video here. Okay, right now. And one more thing is, right, guys, you already have my Instagram ID. Please don't think like once the session is completed, sir will not be contact with you. No way. I'll be there for you. No issues. If you need anything, please message me in Instagram. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. I may not be able to immediately give you a response, but 1 or 2 days, I'll be trying to give a reply there for you. But one point, guys, please send me your success story. Remember that. I'll be waiting for you to hear that success story from you. Is it okay for everyone? And one last question. Are you satisfied with the classes? I hope it's okay for everyone, right? Online students, kindly please respond. Please respond. Yeah, even I also miss you guys. This happens for every batch for me. That is great. Thank you for that. Yeah, Rakesh, I understand, but the thing is, I'm having already another batch scheduled for me. So that is the reason I cannot take. Why? Because management will be waiting for me to take one more class. And advanced Java, guys, trust me when I say that I thought of taking advanced Java, but obviously another like core Java batch got started. So not right now. So kindly please don't wait for advance for my batch. You can join for other batches also, but I'll be there for you. No issues. Krishna, you will be getting that in your advance. You'll be learning that. Don't worry. And Bharati, regarding core Java certification, it will be like, please send a mail to support@nareshit.com. SUPPORT. Just let me check. Let me try to give you a perfect email ID. Just a second. Yes. Support@nareshit.com. Nareshit.com. You will be able to get that certificate. Like, just please mail them. They're gonna ask you what are the things which they want, and you can mail. I mean, you'll be getting that. Okay. And guys, thank you, the people who gave the reviews in the Google class. I mean, in the Google reviews, I got your reviews, guys. That is very good. Thank you for that. All right, guys, that's it for today. So tomorrow, Saturday, what you will do? Take a break. No problem. Take a break. And you already know that every Sunday I'll be trying to give you a quiz, like quiz kind of questions. Please attend them. And in my Instagram right now, I'm a little bit busy, so I'm unable to post the questions. I'll regularly post the questions also. Please check with them. Try to reply them in the comments. Okay. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. Offline students, thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. And that's it. End of the day. We'll be trying to not continue our classes tomorrow. Right? So enjoy your advanced Java classes also. Along with core Java, advanced Java, you can go for interviews. No problem. Please, one thing, guys, don't get relaxed until you got placed. Until you got placed, don't get relaxed. Please make that happen. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. And if you did not give a review, please try to give a review also. Right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Online students, I hope Manoj, you can go with any websites. My best advice is you can go with HackerRank. Rakesh, please Instagram me. Please. Yeah, Ashish, even I also miss you. Others, after completing core Java, you can go with advanced. Yeah, you can go with advanced. Along with core Java only, you should be learning UI and Oracle here. Rohit, the same for me also, buddy. Rakesh, please message me in Instagram. Please message me in Instagram. Vinay, thank you for that. Thank you for that. Saurabh, after like what to do next for full stack, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Oracle is completed. Acha, go with advanced. Go with advanced. After advanced, you can go with testing, Saurabh. Bharati, yes, same for me also. Pratiksha, please message me in my Instagram. Okay. Same applies here also, Manoj. Harprasad, I may not be starting my advanced Java classes. Not right now. Please don't mind. Please don't mind. Salesforce, Trinath, if you like interested, you can go. You can join. Okay. Advanced Java, guys, like you need to check the Naresh IT website. You will be getting that. Okay. Krishna, right now, I'm busy with only my core Java schedules and job guaranteed program schedules are there right now. Okay. Once Mahalakshmi, you want my Instagram ID? This is my Instagram ID. This is my Instagram ID. Yeah, you already know that Java is awesome. That's it. Okay. Yeah, I know that Chinmay, same applies for me also. Yeah, you can ask me, Vasu, any doubt, not only in core Java, buddy. Not only in core Java, if you are having any doubts in Java, trust me, I'll be there for you. You can ask me. Yes. Yes, both are good. Both are good. All right, guys. Full stack, Harprasad, if you're trying to learn 2 to 3 courses per day, it is going to take at least 4 months to complete full stack. Okay. And yeah, I'll there for you. Soumya, don't worry. I'll there for you, but I may not be able to give you immediate reply, but I will give you reply. Why? Because you know that I'll be busy with my classes there, right? You already know that. Okay. And Shravanti and Musafir, guys, Chandani, thank you for your reviews. A lot of other people are also there. Thank you. We'll be trying to continue our contact with through my Instagram ID, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Have a fantastic career. And remember, I'll be waiting for you to hear the good news from you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, come on. It's very hard to press end button. If I press end button, my classes will be completed today. Very hard to press end button today, actually. Anyways, guys, bye. See you. And remember, I'm waiting to hear the good news from you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening.